Are you trying to choose between Monday.com and Microsoft Project? You're not alone. Today, we'll dive into a simple comparison of these two popular project management tools. Both Monday.com and Microsoft Project help teams plan, track, and manage their work. They both aim to make project management easier and more efficient. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Monday.com. This tool is known for its colorful and user friendly interface. It allows teams to customize their workflows easily. You can create boards, set deadlines, and assign tasks without much hassle. Plus, it's great for collaboration, letting team members communicate in real time. Now, let's look at Microsoft Project. This tool has been around for a long time and is often used in larger organizations. It offers powerful features for planning and scheduling. Microsoft Project is great for detailed project tracking and resource management. However, it can feel a bit complex for new users. So, what are the main differences? Monday.com is more visually appealing and easier to use, making it perfect for small to medium teams. On the other hand, Microsoft Project is better suited for larger projects where in depth planning is crucial. When it comes to features, both tools offer task management, timelines, and reporting. However, Monday.com shines with its flexibility and integrations with other apps. Microsoft Project excels in advanced features like Gantt charts and critical path analysis. In terms of pricing, Monday.com usually offers various plans based on team size and features. Microsoft Project tends to be more expensive, especially for advanced features. So, which one should you choose? If you're in a small team or need a simple setup, go for Monday.com. If you're managing complex projects and need detailed planning, Microsoft Project is the way to go. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.